During his visit to Zamboanga City, Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian immediately looked into the needs of students, teachers, and other members of the Ateneo de Zamboanga University community affected by the recent shooting incident. The agency also provided initial cash assistance to the family of the victim who was injured in the incident. According to Gatchalian, those who suffered physical injuries are not the only ones considered affected but the entire school community as well.
When I say naging biktima, hindi lang yung may physical injuries, kundi yung buong komunidad. Yan ang priority ng ating Pangulo, kaya pinatasan niya ako dahil yung buong komunidad sa ganitong mga pagkakataon, kaya namin ituring na yung buong komunidad ay naging biktima dahil ang puso ng isang komunidad yung paaralan.
Among the DSWD's priorities is the emotional well-being of those affected through psychosocial support and trauma-informed care. 8 students aged 11 to 14 received psychological first aid from mental health professionals of the DSWD Field Office 9. The initiative aims to provide a safe space for the students to process their emotions and help them cope with the trauma brought about by the incident.
Yung mga social worker namin, may training sila on trauma-informed care. Sisiguraduhin natin na kung sino ang may pangangailangan, gagawin natin yon. At this point in time kasi, importante sa amin yung emotional well-being ng bawat mamamayan ng Ateneo community.
The DSWD also reported that it is ready to provide additional psychological and social services to students, parents, and other members of the school community. Meanwhile, Gatchalian appealed to the public to refrain from posting or sharing photos, personal information, and unverified stories involving the children connected to the incident.
Yung nagpo-post tayo unauthorized na mga litrato, yung mga kuro-kuro na hindi naman validated at hindi from official sources, nakaka-damage yan eh. Hindi makatao, kundi may mga nalalabag na tayong karapatang pangtao o karapatan ng mga kabataan.
Carlo Candelaria for The Nation.